Alright, I'm back. This is the completed project. The 2003 CL55 AMG widebody kit is finally complete. The paint done. The wet sanding done. Compound done. Polish, sealant done. Check it out, baby. It is where it needs to be. Finally, after all this time, after all this work, a year-long worth of work, finally. Don't worry, I'm gonna zoom in so you can see how wet and pretty that paint is. You talking about some work? Goodness gracious. Biggest project I've ever taken on. I will keep this one forever. This will be passed on to my kids. We're talking about a one-of-a-kind vehicle right here. There is not another one like this around this area. You won't see another one of these in Cincinnati. You won't see another one of these probably nowhere. Not like this, unless they bite my style. Unless somebody watches this YouTube video and puts one together themselves, but have fun doing it. And I would love to see it when it's done, because this is not an easy job right here. Just took a lot of work. I tell you what, I won't do this again. This is a one-time thing right here, baby. A success, man. It worked out, finally. From crash to dash, baby, this thing was probably would have been totaled out if I would have let insurance deal with it, but I didn't. I did it myself. Clean title, rebuilt. It's perfect, man. Everything is within spec except modified with a body kit. I got this paint wet, boy. All right, take a look. Let me get up close and personal with it so you can see. Look how smooth that paint is. Now, this is my very first paint job with the real equipment. I chose the hardest color to paint, black. Everyone said, don't do it, don't do it. Let somebody else paint it. You'll mess it up. You got all that time and money into that body kit. Why you gonna do it yourself and mess it up? Just pay somebody else $3,000, $4,000, $5,000, let them paint it. You know what I said? I said, nah. Anything I put my mind to, I can do it. All I take is patience, research. A little bit of skill. Take your time. Learn. Research. Learn from others' mistakes. Take your time. And you can do it. So don't let people say what you can't do. You show them what you can do. I chose the hardest color. Black. It shows all imperfections, all flaws. Any mistakes you make, they're revealed through the paint. Black hides nothing. It's the hardest color to paint. And I did it. There it is, baby. Polish, seal it. It's done. Alright, now I have a little toy on the inside of this joint. Let me see. You know, I can't do all this and not have it sounding good. You know, big boy. You know, that Orion 12 right there can handle so much power. I think like it's rated as 5,000 watts or something like that. I ain't gonna push it that much, but I do have a big old kicker 2500. And on it, I think it's 2500. It's something big. I don't know. I'm never going to use all that power, but I got it when I pull that joint up to the show. If I want to stunt, look at that right there. Just beautiful. Like it, love it, whatever. Hate, whatever you want to do. I'm there, baby. Finally. I'm very happy, man. Very happy. Hard work pays off. Like I said, lesson learned with this project. Don't let people say what you can't do. Put your mind to it. You can accomplish whatever you want to accomplish regarding these cars. And if you make a mistake, you mess up, take your time, fix it. My first mistake was crashing the car when I first got it, showing off, you know, acting stupid. A silly, immature decision. Cost me a lot of money, a lot of time. But this is the comeback. I got it, you know, rebuilt. I went aftermarket with a lot of stuff. I made it better than it was. There's plenty of factory OEM CL55s out there, pushing at almost 500 horsepower. But there's none like this. There's none like this. If you see one like this, send me a picture. Tag me or something. Let me see it, 'cause I don't believe it. No, I'm just talking crazy, but I am impressed. I am happy. I am satisfied. So thank you for all who have watched throughout the process. It's been a long, tough road, but I finally accomplished my purpose regarding this car. It is done. Thank you. Oh yeah, and I'm keeping the pipes for all y'all people that say I should get rid of it. I like them. All right, y'all take care. Have a good day. Have a good night. Enjoy yourselves. It'll be some future projects. It won't be to this extent, but there will be some future projects. So just keep your eyes out. Take care.